here we are. I think it's pretty obvious why I don't have a successful media career. That wasn't here quite on time. But here we are, streaming once again. Wycliffe Associates Help Desk. And we're going to look at a problem that some people have been having in the last, few weeks, I guess, where they try to upload to either WAX, or it started off with Door 43 DCS, and the recording didn't, or the upload didn't work very well. It didn't go through. And so let me see if I can find the error message that people were getting. Let's see here. All right, I cannot find the error message that people were getting, but basically it would say that you can't upload unless you're logged in to the server account. As you can see here, I am logged in. My username, JD Wood, is up there at the top. And this was confusing because if you were trying to upload and you're logged in, and then it says you need to be logged in, but you are logged in, what do? Well, this is a problem that we originally saw, as I said, with DCS, Unfolding Words Door 43 server. And so they came up with the original solution. I'm going to just kind of walk through that solution, but I'm going to do it on WAX because we have seen it happen on WAX as well. So the first thing we do is we log out. The reason we log out is so that the program isn't confused when we change what's happening behind the scenes. And then here's my WAX login. I'm going to go ahead and click on sign in. It asks me for my login information, and I'm going to use my password manager to sign me in there. And I need to go over here to my user menu and go to settings. And once I'm in the settings, I want to come over to the fourth tab, which is applications, and click on applications. And you'll see here I've got some access tokens, manage access tokens up at the top there. And I've used the app on Android. I've used Autographa with this account with Autographa Live. I also use an app called GetNext, which is on my phone, which allows me to get access to my stuff that's online. But this is the one that I'm interested in. The product we're using, of course, is BTT Writer. But BTT Writer is a fork of Translation Studio. And so the name of the token is TS Desktop. I'm going to click Delete. Ask me if I'm sure I want to do that. Yes, I am. Okay, so that TS Desktop token is supposed to disappear now. Okay, we've got the thing going around. All right, token has been deleted. Applications using it no longer have access to your account. Well, they won't until we log in again. So I'm going to go ahead and minimize that window. I'm going to log in. Again, I'm going to go to my password manager, and I'm going to get my password here and paste that in. Log in. And now when I go to upload, that should work just fine. And there we go. And if I click on the link, there's my repository. One other issue that we were dealing with in the past couple of weeks is the issue of what do I do when there is a project on my account up on Wax, and I want to upload, but my project that I'm uploading says that it needs to be merged. So I'm going to delete this Philemon English demo project here, and I'm going to create a new one. So I use the same target language, and we come down here, pick the same book, add the same source, English ULB, and we're going to go ahead and put in some content here. Okay, so now when I go to upload to server, okay, so it tells me that there are changes to the translation of Philemon on the account. Would I like to import those changes? Basically what this means is that the two projects, the one that's on my machine right now and the one that's on the internet, don't have the same most recent Git history. That if this was a fork of that other project and the other project had not had any work done on it since I forked it, I would be able to upload it without any problem. Or if this had been the original and somebody forked it and then, or I forked it and I uploaded it, but it had that same shared history, again, there would be no problem. The trouble is that Git isn't quite sure what to do with the changes. The changes that I'm doing now, are they new changes that need to be integrated into the translation, or are they old changes that the version that's online just doesn't remember ignoring? So I'm going to go ahead and click yes to import the changes. Okay. Project has been imported, and there is now a chunk that contains conflict information. So when I come back here to Philemon, one of the things you'll see is there's a new icon here that shows that there are conflicts. And if I click on that, that's going to take me to the conflict. So you'll remember that I had put in Letter to Philemon as the name of the book. In the version that was online, it said Philemoni, which would be sort of a Bantu African kind of a way to do it. Since my target language is English demo, I suppose this is a better translation. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that and confirm. Then I have to mark the chunk as done again. And now when I go to upload it, the upload will succeed. So that's one way to do it. That's sort of the nice way to do it, that we download the project from the internet, we merge them together, we deal with the conflicts, and we go about our way. If I got to that point and I wasn't really sure what was going to happen, so for example, it might be possible that the language in the online version is actually a different language, and so merging them isn't going to make sense. or there might be some other issues with the merge. Maybe I don't speak the language, and so I can't tell which is the best translation. In those cases, I would probably hit cancel where it asked if I wanted to download and merge, and instead I would go and I would export a project file, do a manual backup. And so by doing a manual backup, now if I need, after the merge, I say, oh, that was really bad, I can restore the project the way it was right before I did that merge, and I won't have any problems. So, all right. I think that's all the stream for today. If you have any questions, you can email us at helpdesk@techadvancement.com. And hope you enjoyed the video.